We're gonna put this in the creek. See if it goes right. Okay.
What does the picture look like?
It just looks like what it looks like.
I'm heading that way. I'm heading this way. Okay. Wait! You saw that boat?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I know. Oh, I want to go in the water by myself. You can't just push it instead of twist it and then it spins around. I know how to go in it. We'll just push it. Take a picture of that.
Oh, that's the chickens. Yeah, we only got 3 left now.
And there's lots. Hey, the birdhouse. Right there.
Yeah.
We just twisted it for birds.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, it's fine. Who cares about the thorns? I'd be more worried about the poison ivy covering the floor.
Yeah, I'm not going down this way. Look at it. How do I check this out? We put a knife in here. Whoa! Really some more. Yeah. Yeah, I know this place. Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Where is this from?
Yeah, let's take this way.
Yeah. No, I'm sorry. I don't. Okay. Hey, poison ivy. Oh, come on, it's okay. Lucas, I know this place. Lucas' house is that. Okay, I'm coming.
All right.
Lucas, I'm coming. I don't want to go in the water.
Here, wind it up. Wind it up, and then put it in the water.
Oh, here. Let me try.
Are you kidding? I mean, it does have some proportion.
Lucas, I see something. Lucas, I see something. Lucas,
Did water just clog it? Here, wind it up. Wind it up.
Lucas, I see something. It's a big rock.
No, all the way. All the way. Here, wind it up all the way.
Or we can just push it. Oh.
No, we're not making a mess. Now, here, wind it up. Come on. We want to see it wind up. I don't got much storage on my phone. I don't want this video to be like
Lucas.
10 gigabytes.
Lucas,
Huh?
there's Fancy over there.
Oh, that's just minnows. I mean, it does do something.
Look at this. Oh. I'm going in.
That's not that bad.
Not that bad.
I mean, especially for the junk that it is. It actually goes.
Let's go see the fish.
No, we were just coming down here for the boat. At least it doesn't capsize as soon as you put it in. Alright. Like and subscribe if you want to see stupid idiots put boats in creeks again.